Okay, today we are going to start with the next lesson, magnificent success story of Mary Kom. Who can tell me who is Mary Kom? Who is Mary Kom, children? Sai Sabdish, yes, unmute and talk, ma.
Boxer, ma'am.
Yes, she is a boxer. Very good. Okay, so we are going to learn about her success story. Okay, when she became famous, she became more successful, not by just playing only one game. Okay, she also had a very struggleful life. Okay, she also struggled in between. Only then she came up in life. That is what we are going to learn about in this lesson. Okay. Now, turn your books to page number 131. Okay, turn your book to page number 131. Okay, turn your book to page number 131. Magnificent success story of Mary Kom. Okay, who is Mary Kom?
She's a boxer.
Very good. She is a boxer. Okay. Mary Kom was born in 1983 in a poor family in Angangati, Manipur. Okay, so where was she born? She was born in Manipur. Okay, so where was Mary Kom born?
Manipur.
Yes, she was born in Manipur. She is the first daughter of Shri M. Tompa Kom and Smith M. Akham
Voice, ma'am.
Kom. Okay, so who was Shri M. Tompa Kom? Who was Tompa Kom for Mary Kom? He is the father. Okay, he is the father and She is the first daughter of Shri M. Tompa Kom. He is the father and Smith M. Akham Kom. She is the mother of Mary Kom. Okay, so who is the father, children? Who is the father of Mary Kom?
Tompa Kom.
Very good. It is Tompa Kom. And who is the mother of Mary Kom?
Akham Kom.
Very good. Akham Kom. Okay. So remember, where was Mary Kom born? She was born in
Manipur.
Manipur. Which year was she born in? 1983. Okay. So Mary Kom was born in the year 1983 to Shri M. Tompa Kom and Shri and Smith M. Akham Kom. Okay, they are the parents of Mary Kom. They belong to Kangangati village, a small village in Tirunelveli district in Manipur. Her parents, Mangte Tompa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom. So what does M stand for? It is Mangte Tompa Kom and Mangte Akham Kom. Worked in Jum fields. Okay, what do you mean by Jum fields, children? What do you mean by Jum? Jum means it is growing crops by clearing the land of vegetation and burning them for good soil. Once they harvest all the crops and all, you would have seen if you've gone to villages that they also fire up that part of the land, right? So that they prepare the land to grow the next crops. Okay, that is called as Jum fields. Okay, the family background speaks a lot of how Mary overcame hardship and inconveniences and created a name for herself in the arena of world boxing. Okay, like I told you, for Mary Kom, it was not an easy thing to come up in life. She did not become a boxer on first day itself. Okay, she had to undergo a lot of hardship before she came up to the position that she is in now. Okay, she completed her primary education from Lokta Christian Model High School. Moira till her class 6th standard. Okay, so till class 6, where did she study? Please look into your books. I said you have to follow what I'm reading.
School, ma'am.
Which school? She studied in Lokta Christian Model High School, Moirang, till her 6th standard. Okay, and till her 6th standard at St. Xavier School, Moirang, up to class 8. Okay, so she studied at Xavier School till class 8. She then moved to Adimajiti High School in Thal for her schooling for class 9 and 10, but could not pass her examination. So she could not complete her examination. Okay, she did not want to reappear for her exams. So she quit her school and passed her examination from NIOS Impal and graduation from Chiranchandpur College. Okay, so this is about this paragraph talks about her schooling, where all she studied.
Ma'am.
Okay, then yes, who is that?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, ma.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
Okay, most of them are muted. The rest of you all hear me, children?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now, next paragraph. Being the eldest, Mary helped her children work in the fields, cutting wood, making charcoal, and fishing. So, how all did Mary Kom help her parents? She helped her parents in the field. Okay. Remember, right? Where did Mary Kom's parents work? They worked in the field. Okay, they worked in the field. So Mary Kom also helped in the field. She also helped them in cutting wood, making charcoal, and also in fishing. On the other hand, she also spent a good time looking after her two younger sisters and a brother. Okay, so how many sisters she had, children? How many sisters did she? Yes, she had two sisters and one brother. So her parents had 4 children, right? They had 3 girls and 1 boy. Okay. Mary Kom was interested in sports since her childhood. Okay, so Mary Kom was very interested in sports. What do you mean by sports? Playing games and then running. All these and all come under sport activities. Okay, she took a keen interest in athletics. When she was in class 6 in Lokta Christian Mission School, Moirang, and class 7, 8 in St. Xavier School, Moirang, Mary thought that she would become a good athlete one day and carve a name for herself in the discipline. Okay, what do you mean by that? She was studying in between classes 6 to 8. Okay, she was very much interested in athletics, that is in running. Okay, so she thought that she will make a name in that particular discipline. Discipline means in that particular field. Okay, but fate decided otherwise. But then she was not able to pursue that. Okay, but fate decided otherwise means she became famous in something else, but not in athletics. Okay, she took to sports in an effort to provide some financial support to her family. Okay, she got into sports by because she had to help her parents to bring up her brothers and sisters as well, right? Okay, so she started taking up sports. Okay, once when that you will also have sponsorship where other people will sponsor you when you will get some amount of money. Okay, so with that money she used to take care of her family. Okay, so she took to sports in an effort to provide some financial support to her family. I was initially an all-round athlete, and 400-meter and javelin were my pet events. Okay, so she used to be a very good runner. Okay, and javelin throw is they will have a long stick. Okay, you have to run and come a little distance and then throw the stick. And when they throw the stick, You go and fall in one particular point, right? So depending on the distance, how much it covers, that is called as the javelin throw. Okay, that was her. What was it? Those two were the main events that she used to take part in. It was a success of Dinko Singh that inspired her to become a boxer. So who inspired Mary Kom to become a boxer, children? Who inspired Mary Kom to become a boxer?
Dingo.
Very good, Dinko Singh. Okay, he was this person was the one who inspired Mary Kom to become a boxer. The rise of Dinko Singh and the demonstration of women boxers at the 5th National Games Manipur inspired her. Okay, so along with this, even other women boxers also started coming up. This was during the 5th National Games Manipur. Okay, when during this time is when she also started getting an interest in boxing. When Dinko Singh returned from Bangkok, that is, she's attended the Asian Games and then she came back with what? With a gold. I thought I should give it a try. Okay, so here, what does Mary Kom say? Once by whom was she inspired? She was inspired through because of Dinko Singh. Okay, after she came back from the Asian Games, she won the first place. She got the gold medal. Okay, so when she comes back, from Bangkok, and she has won the gold medal, that time Mary Kom thinks, why shouldn't even I also give it a try? Okay, Dinko's success triggered a revolution of sort in Manipur. And surprisingly, I found that I was not the only girl who was drawn into boxing. Okay, so here what happened? It was not just Mary Kom who was interested in boxing after seeing Dinko's success. Okay, there were even other ladies or the other girls also who were drawn into boxing. She has said, began boxing in 2000 and was a quick learner who preferred to be put through the same paces as the boys around her. Okay, so Mary Kom, what happened? Once she started practicing, she started picking up things instantly. Okay, generally they have a saying, right, that the girls are not actually up to the power of boys. Yes or no? Yes or no, children? They always say that boys are much stronger than girls. Are girls weaker than boys? No, right? Okay, girls are also as equally strong as the boys. That is what Mary Kom proves in her life. Okay, so she says that she did not want to give up since she was also very quick. She used to pick up the art very quickly. She wanted to be put along with the boys. Okay, in just 2 weeks, I had learned all the basics. Okay, so in 2 weeks alone, she had learned all the basics. I guess I had God-given talent for boxing. Okay, so it is like not all of us are very good in boxing, right? You need to have that inner talent. Okay, so from the time you were born, you somewhere it's deep hidden deep inside, right? Okay, so once you start focusing on that particular talent, it will come out. So she says that I guess I had God-given talent for boxing. Okay, Mary had tried to hide her interest in boxing from her family. Okay, Mary had tried to hide her interest in boxing from her family since it was not considered as a sport for them. Okay, so why does Mary hide from her family that she likes boxing?
No, ma'am.
She hides from family that she likes boxing or she's taking part in boxing. Why does she do that? Because according to them, boxing is not a sport. Okay, according to them, boxing is not a sport. Okay, her father scolded her when a photo of her winning the state boxing championship appeared in the newspaper. So how does the father get to know? When she has taken part in the boxing, okay, in the boxing thing, she won the first place. So when she had won the first place, her photo comes in the newspaper. Okay, so
Newspaper.
yes, so when her father sees the photo, sees his daughter's photo on the newspaper, that is when he gets to know that his daughter has been uh, practicing for boxing and she's been taking part in the competitions. Okay, and what does he do? Was he happy when he knew that Mary Kom was into boxing?
No, ma'am.
No. Why? How do you know that he was not happy? Because he scolds her. Okay, because her father scolded her when a photo of her winning the state boxing championship appeared in the newspaper. This, however, did not deter her from pursuing a career in boxing. Okay, what do you mean by deter? It did not deviate, it did not let her down. Just because her father scolded, she did not say, okay, fine, he doesn't like it, I will not do. I'll do what I was doing before. She did not do that. She still pursued, she still practiced for boxing and she continued to take part in boxing competitions. Okay. Mary Kom decided to enter into the ring with determination and strong will. Okay, so when you enter into anything, here Mary Kom enters into the ring. Ring means you all have seen how the boxing ring is. You all know how the boxing ring is, right? You have the stage here. You have the stage here and two people fight here, right? Okay, this is called as
Yes,
the
ma'am.
boxing ring and then you'll have the audience sitting outside. Okay, so this is called as the boxing ring where they box. Okay, so how did she enter the ring? She entered with determination. She was determined to win the match. Okay, she was determined to defeat her opponent. Okay, and strong will. She believed in herself. Okay, to pursue her dream of becoming a world-class pugilist, she joined Sports Authority of India, Kuman Lampak, and underwent an intensive training from coach and mentor Sri Goma Singh. Okay, so in order to fulfill her dream, she wanted to become the a world-class boxer. Pugilist means boxer. She wanted to get the name. Okay, she wanted to become the world-class boxer. So what she did, she joined the Sports Authority of India. Okay, where they give her intensive training. Okay, if you have to enter into anything, you need to train yourself well. This is as simple as even if you have to take part in running competition, unless and until you train your body, okay, so that you keep running every day, you have to practice running. Only then you will be able to cover the distance. Otherwise, you just run little bit, no, you start feeling very tired, right? You'll start breathing heavily. All this and all these issues you will have. So you need to practice very, very rigorously. Okay, so that is what even Mary Kom also did. At a tender age of 18, Mary made her debut at the first Women World Boxing Championship after just 1 year of starting to learn boxing, which was held at Pennsylvania, USA. Okay, so at what age did she first attend? Did she take part in the boxing? How old was she?
18.
18 years. Very good. At the
18.
tender age of 18, Mary made her debut at the first Women World Boxing Championship. Okay, after 1 year of starting to learn boxing. So within a year, that means at the age of 17, she started practicing for boxing. Okay, and at the age of 18, she took part in the Women's World Boxing Championship. Okay, at her debut event itself, she won a silver medal in the 46 kg weight category. Okay, silver medal means which place did she get?
First.
First place is
Second
gold.
place.
Very good. Silver means second place. So in her first match itself, she got second place. Okay. In which category? In the 46 kg weight category. A year later, she went on to win the gold At the second Association Internationale de Boxe Amateur World Women's Senior Boxing Championship held at Antalya, Turkey. Okay, so the second time when she took part in the match, in the championship match, she won which place? Which medal did she get? She got gold medal, right?
Second place.
Gold medal. Gold medal means it is first place.
First
Okay.
place.
Yes, she won the first place. Okay. Then after that, turn your book to the next page. Mary Kom is the mother of twin sons. Okay, so how many children does Mary Kom have? How many children? Twin sons means how many children?
Four. Four
Twin means
children.
two. Twins means
Four.
two.
Two, ma'am.
Okay, so she had two of them. Okay, in 2008, she came back from a 2-year maternity break, clinched her fourth boxing gold in world championship. So what she did, after she had two children, okay, after she had two babies, she took a break for how many years? She took a break for 2 years. Okay, and then after that, she comes back. Okay, she comes back for the boxing matches and she wins gold in the world championship, boxing gold in the world championships. Okay, that instantly won her the name Magnificent Mary. Why do you think she got the name Magnificent Mary? Why did she get the name Magnificent Mary? Okay, remember it is a general phenomenon that when a lady gets married, okay, when a girl gets married, they tend to tell her, no, no, now you have to only take care of your family. Okay, and being a boxer, okay, in this field, it is not easy for a married woman, especially a mother, to come back, fight, and then win a gold in it. Okay, so what does she become? She becomes an inspiration for all the women, okay, in the world. Okay, she becomes an inspiration for all the women, showing that even if you're married, even if you're mother, you can still pursue your dreams. Okay, you can still achieve your dreams. Okay, did you all understand, children? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Now next. So what? Because of her inspiring act, what is the name that she earned in the field of boxing? What was she called as?
Mary.
Very good. Magnificent Mary. Okay. Next, Mary Kom fought Asian champion Kim Myong Sim the title bout at the Asian Cup Women's Boxing Tournament in Haikou, China. Little Kupemveer cheered for Mummy from his hospital bed in Chandigarh. Okay, so when she was fighting when she was fighting for the Asian Cup Women's Boxing Tournament in China, even her son also was cheering from the hospital. Okay, when he sees that his mother is taking part in the match, he also was cheering for her. Okay, the next few paragraphs, they tell us about her quotes. Okay, quotes means about what she says about her life. Okay, about her inspiring speeches. Okay, Mary Com's quotes. I do not only rely on my technique or strength, also on my mind. What does that mean? What does that mean? She does not only rely on her strength or the technique that she uses in boxing, but also in her mind. She should be sharp enough to decide on her next move. Okay, she should be spontaneous in her fighting. Okay, she should not wait for the opponent to come and attack her. She should know when suddenly when they come, how she can save herself. Okay, to be a successful boxer, one must also have a strong heart. Some women are physically strong but fail when it comes to having a strong heart. One also must have the zeal and the right fighting. So what does she say? To become a successful boxer, you should also have a strong heart. When somebody comes and says you cannot do, If you're not strong enough, and if you do not believe yourself, you will give up. Okay, you will say, okay, fine. He or she says that I cannot do it. Okay, fine, I will not do, and you will start doing whatever you've been doing. Right? Okay, you should not be weak. That is what she says. You need to have the zeal. Zeal means you need to have that, what do you say? You should not let go of your dreams. Okay, you have to fight for your dreams. Okay, next one. People used to say that boxing is for men and not for women. And I thought I will show them someday. I promised myself and I proved myself. Okay, for if there is a sport where only the men have been taking part, okay, and suddenly if a female comes into the picture, you will have a lot of talks where other people will say, this is not for you. Okay, only a man can fight, only a man can do boxing. Okay, but here what does she say? When people told her that this game is not for you, or this match is not for women, what does she say? It is for women. I will prove and show. Okay, and then she proves and she becomes the world's first woman boxer. Okay, to win so many medals also. Okay, likening her story to that of David facing Goliath, Mary Kom says, I always remember I am also so small and Manipur is very small. But if I pray and if I do very hard work, then I will win. Okay, some of you all have learned about David and Goliath, right? In where do you learn about Goliath? It is the one of the Bible character, right? David is a small boy while Goliath is a huge giant. Okay, but David only with a sling and a stone he defeats the giant. Okay, so just like that, Mary Kom says that even though she is a small person from a very small place that is Manipur, but if she works hard and she prays, she will win the game. Okay, that is what she says. Okay, Mary Kom is a 5-time successive world boxing champion, a biennial amateur boxing competition organized by the International Boxing Association, AIBA. So in this match, in this boxing competition that was organized by AIBA, she was a 5-time successive world boxing champion. Successive means continuously without losing. Even once, continuously 5 times she was a champion. Okay. She is the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each one of the 6 world championships. Okay. So she is the only woman boxer to have won a medal in each of the 6 world championships as of June 2012. Okay. She is ranked world number 4 in the 51 kg women's category by AIBA. She has more than 3 Asian titles and 11 national titles under her belt. These are all her achievements that she has won because of the boxing, because of becoming boxing championship. Okay. Next page. She is a recipient of the Arjuna Award, the Padma Shri Award, the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan Award, and a special award from AIBA. Mary Kom created history by becoming first person from Northeast to win bronze medal in Olympics 2012. Okay. Now who's playing music there? Okay. So these are the awards that she has received. What are the awards that she received? She received Arjuna Award, Padma Shri Award, and the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratan, that is Sports Award. Okay. And a special award from AIBA, that is from this association also she has received an award, and she has created history by becoming first person from Northeast to win bronze medal in the Olympics 2012. Okay. Did you understand the lesson, children?
Yes,
Understood the lesson?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, for today's homework, I want you all to read the lesson again. Okay, based on this lesson, I will be giving you an activity as well. Okay,
Okay.
based on this lesson, see here they have given you how she came up in life. Okay, I want you to stick at least 3 pictures in A4 size sheet. Okay, and write a few lines, that is about 10 lines about Mary Kom. Okay, I will send you that even in the group also, on WhatsApp also. I will tell you what is your activity. You will finish it. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Do you all have any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No,
children,
ma'am.
if you have no